the Foreign Investment in Financial Services, Critical Infrastructure and Technology Affecting National Security Regulation Bill 2018. Dr. Narendra Yadav.
Thank you, Vice Chairman, sir. With your permission, sir, I rise to move a private member bill for consideration and passing. This bill is about new threats to our national security. The title of the bill is Review of Foreign Investment in Financial Services, Critical Infrastructure and Technology Affecting National Security Bill 2018. This bill, sir, essentially seeks to, one, protect our national security while promoting foreign direct investment. This is sought to be done by reforming the process by which foreign investments are examined in the light of national security considerations. Why is this bill necessary in India at this point of time? Sir, let me offer you a perspective based on a real-life example. I would like to recount what happened in the United States before the US-China trade war began. As the international media has reported, the Chinese government wields a lot of influence on the multinationals of China, including Alibaba. In January 2017, Alibaba's subsidiary called A&T Financial attempted to buy out a company called MoneyGram, a big US fintech company, and the Committee of Foreign Investment in the US, which is an interagency committee under US Treasury, rejected the buyout, stating national security concerns. What were the reasons for rejections? It is very interesting to see. The first reason was access to sensitive data. Had they permitted the purchase of MoneyGram, the foreign government would have access to data of 2.4 million US citizens, and it would have been an important national security concern. Second was weaponization of data. Consumer data could be weaponized by using dual technologies such as chips, which could be used for civil and military purposes. Personal data can be misused to damage credit ratings, access bank accounts, or identity theft. Third reason given was hindrance in tracking terrorism and money laundering activities. Allowing one of the largest American firms to come under the control of Chinese government would jeopardize, it was argued, it would jeopardize America's ability to monitor terrorism financing, money laundering, and other crimes. Sir, both sides of the political parties in America, Democrats as well as Republicans, they came out strongly against this endeavor, and in fact it was argued that MoneyGram would give the Chinese government, and I'm quoting Congressman Chris Smith, it would give the government significant access to information on financial markets as well as financial dealings of the US citizens. The Republican Senator Pat Robertson wrote to the Treasury Secretary expressing concern that the acquisition could pose national security threats. This has happened not only in America, sir, but subsequently what happened in America was in July 2018, the US passed